Rendang is a classic Minangkabau dish from West Sumatra, Indonesia. It's a slow-cooked dry curry made mainly from beef, coconut milk, and rich spices. You know, it's known all over the world as one of the most delicious foods. But rendang is more than just food. It's a part of their culture. Padang food is the bigger group of dishes from the Minangkabau people. It's famous for its strong flavors, spicy dishes, and sauces rich with coconut. It has become a common food all over Indonesia, and honestly, even outside of it. Padang restaurants are easy to spot because of their special nasi padang display. To cook rendang, you have to let the beef simmer for hours until all the liquid is gone and the spices soak in. What you get is soft meat covered in tasty browned flavors. This long process really shows how patient and dedicated people are in Minangkabau culture. Rendang is often served at special events, weddings, and religious holidays. It shows honor and how welcoming people are. Sharing rendang means showing respect and bringing families closer. So, rendang was originally a way to keep meat fresh in hot places before there were refrigerators. The spices and dry texture actually help it last for days without going bad. This useful trick, helped rendang spread across islands and through many generations. The main spices in rendang include lemongrass, galangal garlic shallots, turmeric, and chilies. When these are mixed with thick coconut milk, they create a deep, earthy, and spicy taste that's just special. And well, each family might change the recipe a little, depending on their own family traditions. There are different kinds of rendang daging, which is beef hati for liver paru for lung, and even chicken or jackfruit versions. The beef one is, probably the most common around the world. But honestly, each kind has its own special feel and taste. So, Padang food is usually served in a way called hidang, where, all the dishes are put out at once. Customers actually only pay for what they eat. This system really lets people enjoy looking at all the food and, pick their favorites. Some famous Padang dishes are ayam pop, which is steamed fried chicken, dendeng balado, that's spicy beef jerky, gulai, a coconut curry, and sambal ijo, a green chili sauce. These are, often eaten with warm rice. Together they make a perfectly balanced meal. Spice is, honestly, super important in Padang cooking. Chilies are used not just to make things hot, but for, adding layers of flavor. Even though it's spicy, Padang food is also known for being rich and full of taste. Nasi Padang is now, a common name in Southeast Asia. From Malaysia to Singapore, Padang restaurants offer a taste of West Sumatra to local people and visitors. This spread has really made Minang food important around the world. The Minangkabau people have a society where women are very important, and cooking traditions are taught by women through many generations. This way of life actually shows how important food is in their social and family groups. Cooking rendang is often seen as a big step in life. Rendang was named by CNN as the #1 best food in the world in 2011. This made rendang known to people all over the world. Since then, food bloggers and chefs have made and celebrated this dish everywhere. Unlike fast food, Padang cooking values taking a long time to prepare. Meals can take hours or even a whole day to make. This slow cooking makes the flavor better and really brings people together. The coconut milk used in Padang dishes is usually freshly squeezed. This makes the food feel richer and smell more real. It also helps make gulai and rendang creamy. Rendang has different versions depending on the area. In Jakarta or Java, rendang might be wetter and less spicy, but traditional Padang rendang is darker, drier, and honestly, a bit spicier. Rendang is often served with steamed rice kerupuk, which are crackers and vegetable sides. The different textures and temperatures, really make every bite exciting. It's actually a well-balanced meal for both taste and health. In Padang restaurants, food is made in big amounts and stacked in these tall, impressive piles of plates. This visual style is not only smart, but also shows how much food there is. It has, over time, become a famous symbol in Indonesian food tourism. Cooking rendang starts with toasting the spices and browning the meat. Coconut milk is then slowly added and the dish simmers without being stirred. The secret, honestly, is being patient and getting each step just right. Some rendang recipes can have up to 14 ingredients. This many parts, really shows how many different cultures have influenced the Minangkabau, including traders from India and Arabia. The result is a nice mix of flavors. In Indonesian homes, rendang is often made in large amounts and kept for weeks. Its flavor gets better over time, making it great for travel or parties. Some even say rendang tastes better the next day. Padang cuisine celebrates the land and old traditions. Using local ingredients like turmeric leaves, kaffir lime, and candle nuts connects the food closely to the earth. This link to nature is, deeply respected. Rendang has inspired new mixed dishes. Chefs worldwide now make rendang tacos, rendang burgers, and even rendang for people who don't eat meat. These new ideas, honestly, introduce the dish to younger people and those around the world. Even with things changing globally, traditional Padang food stays strong. Local food stalls, warungs, and family kitchens still follow old recipes. It is really a living tradition passed on through taste. Rendang and Padang food are more than just tasty dishes. They are stories of culture, who people are, and pride. With every bite, we taste hundreds of years of wisdom, love, and strength. This food keeps charming the world, one spicy spoonful at a time.